You join us today as the restoration of this 300SL Gullwing continues. Since you last saw the car, it's been entirely stripped, but most importantly, the body has been separated from the chassis. Now, these cars were very advanced in their day with a lightweight tubular space frame chassis and body on top. Both aluminium and steel cars are available. This car's steel, and as you can see, it's in great condition. We've started taking the car back to bare metal. There's very little rust, and it's a great base for a restoration. One of the most important parts of a chassis and body separation is bracing the car to ensure the rigidity is kept throughout the separation process. Now, this framework has been made by the team at Hilton and Moss and mounts to all the original chassis points, as well as strengthening the front and rear through this top frame section. This is vital to ensure the car stays dead straight and once restored is as good as it should be. Now, we'll keep you up to date as this restoration continues. The next big step will be the entire car bare metal and the bodywork commencing.